Hello. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to make use of the file size validation feature in bit form. Let's begin. Navigate to the Advanced File Upload field settings. Enable the file size validation option. Minimum file size allows you to specify the minimum allowable file size. You can choose to use either megabytes or kilobytes and even provide a custom error message. Maximum file size enables you to set the maximum allowable file size. You have the flexibility to use megabytes or kilobytes and include a custom error message. Max total file size lets you define the total file size for the entire upload list. You can use all three options simultaneously: set the minimum file size, set the maximum file size, and determine the total size of the upload list. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.